Elsa, I know you're in there. What? People asking where you been. Just say to them that I'm in the beach with the hot guys. We only have each other. It's you and me. What I'm gonna do? Um, it's not you and me at all. I have a friend named Olaf, and I have your ex-boyfriend Hans. It's my boyfriend now. No, no. You're hard nipple asshole. It hurts. It hurts in my frozen heart. It hurts. It really, really hurts. Just stop, Anna. You're now tied, Anna. So that's all of guys. My parody. I know you like it. It's not perfectly parody, and that's all, guys. It's not perfect parody, but I thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all.